Dawson, Forsyth, Franklin, Gwinnett, Habersham.
Yep, here we go!
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lumpkin County in north-central Georgia, southern Gilmer County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Dawson County in north-central Georgia, Pickens County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Fannin County in north-central Georgia, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:39 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hinton, Oregon, 8 miles west of Jasper, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jasper, Talking Rock, Amicalola Falls State Park, Sequoia Lake, Talana, Camp Merrill, Juneau, Fawcett Lake, Dial, Springer Mountain Shelter, Lenfoot Hike Inn, Carter Cay, Pisgah, Black Gap Shelter, Blaine, Lake Tamarack, Talmadge, Stover Creek Shelter, Nimboil, and Roy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 7 p.m. in game.
First SVR of 2026. It's gonna get active.